During this 45-minute formal observation activity, I had the opportunity to observe, collaborate, and reflect on the instructional decisions made by my colleagues as we analyzed student data and adjusted teaching strategies. One of the key things I learned from this entire activity is the importance of using data as a guide for instruction. I observed how my colleagues interpreted assessment results, identified student strengths and gaps, and discussed actionable strategies to address those needs. I also learned the value of collaboration in making instructional decisions. Each participant brought a unique perspective that enriched the conversation and strengthened the proposed interventions. Beyond the technical aspects, I recognize how critical it is to maintain a student centered mindset when making decisions about instruction and support. In reading, teachers focus on laying foundational skills using Strive for Five guided questions and turn and talks to ensure comprehension and engagement. In math, strategies included pairing up high and low students or using peer tutoring to strengthen understanding and scaffold learning. Moving forward, I will use what I learned in this observation activity to enhance my own practice as a future educational leader. Specifically, I plan to implement structured progress monitoring systems, facilitate data informed discussions among teachers, and promote reflective instructional practices on my campus. I also intend to model collaborative problem solving and encourage teachers to share insights and strategies, ensuring that decisions are made with both equity and academic growth in mind. Observing the careful consideration given to each student's needs during this session reminded me that effective leadership requires not only strong data literacy, but also empathy, communication, and support for staff and students alike. Methods of evaluation used to measure student progress included formative assessments, teacher observations, and ongoing feedback during small group or paired activities. To bring my learning from this observation activity to the next level, I need to engage in additional activities and experiences that deepen my understanding of instructional leadership and data driven decision making. For example, I plan to participate in more collaborative grade level and departmental meetings, attend professional development sessions focused on instructional leadership and assessment analysis, and observe more experienced administrators as they facilitate discussions and make campus level decisions. Additionally, I want to practice leading my own focus group discussions using real students' data to guide decisions so I can refine my ability to balance teacher input with student needs and district priorities. Reflecting on this observation, one thing I wish I would have done differently is to ask more probing questions during the discussion to better understand the rationale behind certain instructional adjustments. While I actively listened and took notes, I feel that engaging more deeply with participants by asking clarifying questions or suggesting alternative strategies would have provided an even richer learning experience. I also wish I had taken more time to reflect in real time on how each adjustment might affect student outcomes, which would help me develop stronger foresight and planning skills as an instructional leader. Overall, this observation was a valuable opportunity to witness collaboration, data driven decision making, and thoughtful instruction leadership in action. It was strengthened it has strengthened my understanding of how to support teachers, monitor student progress, and make adjustments that lead to meaningful growth. I'm committed to using these insights to continue developing my leadership skills and to ensure that I can positively impact both teachers and students in my future role as a campus leader.